Okay, we're going to do an air brake test on a 10-speed manual, okay? Make sure you follow these steps to make sure everything is done correctly, okay? So our air tanks are currently over 100. We're going to pump the brake down until it goes under 100. Just keep pumping until it goes under 100. There, see, it's under 100. So then we're going to give it gas to raise it until the governor sneezes. Okay, my governor just sneezed, which is roughly around 130 psi. So in this, you want to give the range, which is 120 to 140. My governor should sneeze, and then my governor sneezed exactly at 130 psi. Okay, so from there, we're going to press the clutch and then put the truck in first gear. Then we're going to go over here and turn the truck off. Truck is off. We're going to release the clutch, turn the key to the on position. All the lights are going to light up and everything. The truck is not going to move because it's in first gear. So then we're going to push our buttons in, which is our truck and trailer button, brake release buttons. Okay. Then from there, the examiner will say, "You'd like me to start the timer?" Yes, start the timer for your 1 minute hold. Okay, we're going to fast forward a little bit. So then the examiner will say, "Hey, your 1 minute is done." From there, I will say, "I did not lose more than 4 psi in that minute," because you're holding the brake once the timer starts. You hold the brake, and then once they say the timer is done for the 1 minute hold, then you say, "I did not lose more than 4 psi in that minute." Okay, good. From there, the next step is you want to start pumping the brake down until your air warning light comes on, which should be around 55. See, it just came on. Okay. Now, some trucks may be different, but for the standard, it's around 55. On this truck, it's 60. All right, but it's around 55. From there, we're going to keep pumping the brake down until our buttons pop, which should be around 45 and 20 psi. See, there it is. They just popped out. Okay. Around 45 and 20 psi. From there, we press the clutch down, take it out of first and put it in neutral. Start the truck. Release the clutch because it's in neutral. And then from there, we press the gas. Refilling the air tanks until the governor sneezes. And right now the air alarm is still on. See, the air alarm just went off. Just sneeze. So my governor sneezed at 120 to 140 psi. The exact number of sneeze is 130 psi. Okay, and then from there you do your tug test. So from there, press the clutch in, put it in first gear. All right, so it depends on whatever one you want to do first. Okay, All right, so I'm gonna do the, so now we're gonna test the tractor. So I'll push that one in, and I lift the clutch up, and then we tug. That's one tug. That's two tugs, okay? So I'll pull that out, all right? Trailer first. So I'll push that in, okay? And then we do one tug. Good. And then we do the next tug. Just lift up slowly the clutch. Good. All right, good. And then we pull that out. All right, so that's your tug test. So then we're gonna do our service brake test. Push both in. We keep it in first gear. And then we just move up. And just let it roll. Wheel should not go left, should not go right. Good. And then clutch in. Press the brake. Put it in neutral. Pull it out. Okay, so that's it. If any questions, just let us know. We'll be happy to help you.